Alright, Eliminators, what's cracking? We're out here doing another video today. Got Gus out here today. Me and Gus are gonna try to go out to catch some fish today, and it's really cold and it's really windy, as you can tell. And so I don't know how good this audio is gonna be, and I look awful wearing a hat forwards, so I bet this intro is just gonna be straight smacks.
Got him.
A good one? Yeah. Dinkosaurus? That's our third fish already. I didn't even catch 3 fish the last time I was here. Oh, there he is. That's actually a pretty decent one for the fall time.
That's very decent.
Barely.
That's probably Henderson, not being that big.
Alright guys, pretty little, cute little football. Actually pretty decent one for this time of the year in this pond. Looks pretty good. I'm fishing this white and chartreuse chatterbait with a gray swimmer on the back of that sucker.
Oh my God.
Trying to crank back on a slinky dinky slaunchy donkey. What is your problem? And we changed spots, guys. So now I'm still throwing a chatterbait. We did flip some brush on the way here. Not even a single nibble. It's just so windy. We're just gonna be throwing moving baits probably the whole day. Work it. Throw it right up in those bushes. Got him.
Are you kidding me?
Pretty decent one for the fall time. On the chatterbait, guys. I know they're pretty decent. He's really golden. Do you see that?
Remember?
Decent little guy. We going?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, guys. Little one. Another little one. On the little bluegill color crankbait. Square bills are always good for the fall time, and you know, it's definitely fall time here. It's only 56 degrees today. But normally you want like a chartreuse color, but I just kind of wanted to throw natural today, so. Alright guys, just a little dinky winky. Kill me. Okay, pull up the anchor. Hits monger. Look, I just let this thing go. I think this crankbait is gonna come out and kill me. That was the loudest. My ears are ringing.
No, it's layering.
Got him. I love cranking fish. No! You lost me my best squareby. Alright guys. This is just another little dinky to winky. Dinkosaurus, monstersaurus on the cranker. Alright guys, my brother just caught his second fish of the day. Just a nice little dinky winky. That's all we're catching today, obviously. I'm trolling. We were just trolling on the way back just to be silly, and he caught a nice little one off a chatterbait. I'm trolling the little crankbait right now, but. Alright guys, well Gus went up to go get us a little pole we can catch some minnows on, but just caught a little dinky off my spinnerbait. I'm fishing a 1/2 ounce War Eagle white and blue color spinnerbait, just a little dinky again. But yeah.
It's a baby duckling.
No, it's some kind of weird little. Where'd he go? It's not a duck, it's some other kind of, I think it's a loon. Got one. Yeah, I do.
Oh.
Oh.
Is this you getting back at me? easy for them to mountains without. Look at me.
I see it.
Okay.
Got another one.
No. What is your issue? I'm taking all my fishies.
Pretty decent one. Same size as all of
Ain't
these.
no decent.
It's like, I think this is the same fish.
Hey, there it goes. Did you see how easy that was for me? You know?
Guys, just another
Gotta
little
put a spin on this
dinky-saurus.
too, Sawyer. Put a spin on this.
No. Got another one. Off of the same spinnerbait.
Yep, yep.
This is like literally a micro bass. I don't understand what it is about bass when they hit the ground, but they just go haywire. Gus,
Oh, God.
let it go. Now yank it. How did you snag their pontoon or whatever that little thing is? They're gonna come out here cussing us out. If you break anything, okay, you're gonna have to get on their little dock.
I can't get to there.
Get on the dock. Yes, you can. Oh my gosh.
Just get out of here.
This is hilarious.
You told me to get off.
I didn't tell you to jump in the pond though.
I didn't. My nipple.
God, I wish I was just filming. Gus got this little bluegill jig stuck up in a tree, and I was trying to get it. And we were flying on the highest trolling motor setting, going really fast, and it was just screaming drag. So I was trying to get the little thing out, and the little jig head comes back a million miles an hour and smacks his nipple.